Good afternoon, everybody. This is Nelca Roco again, and I have one pending question from my Udemy student. This is already 24 days ago. Okay, this is from Senthil Kumar, and he asked me about how can he split the drawings from the ground floor to the second floor, like what is he showing right now. So this is very easy, Senthil Kumar. So I'm going to open now my Dialux Evo. And as you can see right now, let me just change my CAD file colors to a different color. So let me just create all those CAD file into blue for the ground floor and another one for the second floor as color red. Okay, so you can see the difference. All right, so what you can see right now is I have a drawing on the ground floor, the blue one, and the second floor on the second floor is the red one. Okay, so how to do that is very easy. So you can go to your building tab, individual, and you can see right now this is the main house. And if I want to show my second floor on this one, I'm just going to open this second floor, and you can see it's on the upper part of the building. I think the guest house is the best one. Okay, there you go. And how to do that is click on the second floor tab here on the left corner, and you can see at this show to the projection, uncheck that one, because usually I said that you need to put your drawing into 0, like what I'm going to do now, 0. So if I put in 0, so it will go to the 0 level. You can see right now it's on the 0 level. And if I change the height into 3.2, let's just imagine that is the height of the second floor, then it will go to the 3.2 or onto the second floor. Even if I go to the story tab, you can see that my drawing is there on the second floor. It's visible now on the second floor. And if you want to make sure that all drawings is in the flat, then you can now press this show to the projection in the 3D window. And that's it. So that's how easily you can do it. So of course you can turn on, turn off this one in your layer. And then you can adjust again if the height is not correct. You're seeing this position. And to adjust the position, you need to uncheck first this one. Now you can easily change the value. Okay, so that's it for now. I am working on my Udemy courses because I need to finish everything. I have so many pending topics that I need to provide, while I am also working on my emergency lighting design book and course. So see you again on the next video. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!